Okay, so this first problem is really easy if you understand that change everything to either sine or cosine, right? So CSC, if you flip it, that equals 1 over sine. So that's why I put 1 over sine. Tangent is sine over cosine. Tangent's over here. Sine over cosine. And cosine, well, it's already cosine, so cosine over 1. Then you could cancel things out. Get rid of the sines, get rid of the cosines. You're left with 1 over 1, which is just 1. And we were looking if it was equal to 1, so yes, it is equal. Then for this one, you could see here that it's tan squared x plus 1. There's a great way to start by turning this into secant. Look, 1 plus tan squared equals secant. Tan squared 1, so secant over 10. And then do the same thing, turn it into sine and cosine. Secant equals 1 over cosine. 1 over cosine divided by tan, which is, like we said, sine over cosine. So sine over cosine squared. Remember that this is squared, so these two have to be squared. Same with thing over here. This one has to be squared, right? Then we do keep, change, flip. Keep this one because they're both fractions, and it's divided by dividing a fraction by a fraction. So keep, change, flip. 1 divided by cosine x. Keep this one, change this one, multiplication, flip this one. Now cosine's gonna be on top, right? And we could do the same thing here. Cross out these two. Alright, cross out this and this. That's what I did here. And we're left with the imaginary 1 in front and sine squared x. 1 sine squared x equals, like over here it says sine squared x, CSC x. And since it's squared, you have to keep it squared. And that is what we have in the beginning, so they're also equal.